guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious tostadas de frijoles puercos. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 pound of pinto beans, 3 California chili pods or guajillo, 1 garlic clove, a half of a small white onion, 12 ounces of bacon, 9 ounces of chorizo, sliced pickled jalapeños with a half a cup of juice, queso fresco, corn tortillas, canola oil, salt, and black pepper. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by cutting our onion in half. We're going to use 1/2 to boil our beans with and the other half to cook with the beans. Okay, so after we got that, we're going to depot our chiles. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to clean our beans. So I already picked through my beans, so now I'm just going to rinse them. If you want to set your beans overnight, then that's going to be up to you. I never let my beans sit, so I'm just going to rinse them and then boil them. Alright, so now we're just going to grab our big pot where we're going to boil our beans. We're going to throw our beans in. And you also want to make sure that you wash your chiles. We're going to add our chiles, our half of onion, and our garlic clove. I'm going to add salt. Don't add too much because we're still going to add our bacon and chorizo, and that contains already a lot of salt. And we're also going to add black pepper. So now I'm just going to fill up my pot halfway with water, and then we're going to boil them. Alright, so I'm going to set it on high heat and we're just going to let them cook. You want to keep an eye out on your beans. Make sure that they have water at all time and don't let them burn. Alright guys, so after an hour your beans should look like this, and as you can see the water has reduced. I'm going to check them and see how soft they are. And they are soft already, so they should be almost done. So by now I'm just going to start to cut my bacon and get it ready for the next step. Alright, so for my onion I'm just going to cut into small cubes. Alright, so once our onion is nicely chopped, we're going to cut our bacon. Alright, so we're just going to grab our bacon and start cutting it into small cubes as well. The stubborn fat. Okay, so now we can start cooking. Alright, so in a large frying pan, I'm going to set it to medium-high heat. I'm just going to wait for that to heat up and then we're going to add in our bacon. Now we're just going to cook that. And once we start seeing the grease coming out of the bacon, we're going to add in our onion. Alright, so once we start to see the fat coming out of our bacon, we're going to add in our onion. Alright, so now we're going to add our onion. Just cook that. Alright, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add in our chorizo. Alright, so after your chorizo has broken down, we're going to remove it from our pan. Just try to keep as much of the grease as possible because we're going to use that to fry our beans. Alright, so now we're going to grab our beans and add them in our frying pan. And as you can see, there's not much water left. Alright, so because our beans are nicely hot, we're going to smash them now. So smash your beans. And I left everything, the onion and the garlic clove. I left it in there along with the chiles. And as you can see, it's so easy to smash the chile pods because they're so soft. Alright, so after we smashed our beans, we're going to add all of our mixture back in.
I'm using it.
And we're going to add the half a cup of jalapeno juice. And just mix it. Alright, so I cut half of the queso fresco into small cubes, and I'm just going to add it in my beans along with the jalapenos. And this is basically it for our frijoles puercos. Alright guys, so in a medium frying pan, I'm going to set it to medium-high heat. I'm going to add my canola oil. So we're going to add enough to cover the tortilla. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up, and then we're going to add our tortilla. Alright guys, so make sure that you have your oil set on low heat. Okay, because we're going to slow fry our tortillas. So once it's hot, we're going to throw it in. And make sure that you're pressing down on the tortilla. So just make sure that you're pressing down on the tortilla, otherwise it's going to blow up. So now we're just going to wait until they turn a beautiful golden color and they're nice and hard. Alright, so once our tortillas has turned into a beautiful golden color and they're nice and hard, and you'll be able to feel them, we're going to remove to set them on a kitchen towel. Alright, so we're going to repeat the process until we have reached the desired amount of tostadas that we're going to make. Alright guys, so once the tostada shells are ready, we are ready to put it all together. So here we have the beans. Look how delicious they look. And now for the toppings, you can use whatever you have in your fridge. I'm going to use cabbage, queso fresco, the other side, the other half, we're going to use it for topping. And then of course your favorite salsa. And some crema. So let's do this. Alright, so I'm going to grab my tostada shell. And then some beans. And I don't mind the jalapeno, but of course you can take it out if you don't want to take a bite of the jalapeno. And just put as much as you wish. But let me tell you, this is delicious. Okay. I'm going to put some crema. And then my cabbage. Some more queso fresco. And of course the salsa. And these frijoles are perfect to eat with anything, even to make rolled tacos, you know, to just make whatever, or just serve them like that with some huevos for breakfast, you know. So this is basically it. I am ready to enjoy my tostada de frijoles de puerco. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. I have my tostada. I'm gonna take the bite of the jalapeno that is just looking at me. It's seriously super delicious. The beans are just full of flavor on its own. Seriously, the best. Guys, and there you have it on how I make super easy and delicious tostadas de frijoles puercos. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.